How to add or change your profile account custom URL on Steam PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple, so please keep watching until the end. First thing, go to Steam. As you can see, this is the home page. Now go to the top here, click on friends and go down to the third option, edit profile name / avatar. Click on it and it will take you to this page, and now here you will find the custom URL option. You can add it from here, as you can see. And after you finish editing or changing your custom URL, scroll down and click save. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.